Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony, and this is why I have for like a $36,000 put position open on Tesla. Um, we just and again, keep in mind this is just um, some free sauce that I have, and this is just essentially what I'm guessing is going to happen to Tesla in the next coming days or so. And again, we're just using the regular triggers on the weekly on my this is my combo of indicators. So if you guys want to join the Patreon and get grandfathered into these indicators before I switch them up to because I'm gonna switch platforms, right? The Patreon's gonna be for like support and everything and stuff, and then I'm gonna end up selling my actual. I'm gonna end up putting all my strategies and my indicators and stuff on my own website because I think it's time to switch over. But essentially, what's going on is you run a forecast like this where, you know, right now after that weekly bear close, which happened on Tesla in August of 20 of that August 22nd that week, you dropped $120 in 77 days. Right, and again, we can just look at like perfect entries here in the last like 2 years or so. So again, from high, you dropped from here, right, all the way to the low. You dropped in 92 days. You dropped $163, and the first initial drop before the recovery, you dropped $100 total within 28 days, which is pretty insane, right? And then again, the second drop here on Tesla was from this high 335 all the way down to, I think the lowest point was like right here. Again, $128 within 30 days. And that seems to be like your general average, about $128 within 30 days or so. And again, 165, 128, 128. So we can probably run that same analysis from these highs. So I will be looking for Tesla, down to 128, like right here within possibly 28, 35 days. Let's give it a little bit more wiggle room right there. So I will be looking for, as of right now, in 128, there you go. In 28 days, seems to be the usual, there you go. 128, boom, right there. So I will be looking just from historical drops in the last, this has been going on since for the last 2 years or so. And then the last time before that, so again, another perfect entry from right here, this high. Tesla was at 300, dropped all the way down, dropped 118, $118, $120 within 35 days. And then again, this was the first trigger in the 21st of January. And then before that, perfect entries, right? Again here, perfect entry, didn't work. Perfect entry, you drop from, didn't work. Perfect entry here, didn't work, and you recovered. And then perfect entry here was the last time you actually had a really good drop from 57 to 23. So like a 50% drop, which is kind of insane. But I'm just going off of historical patterns for the last 2 years. It seems to be doing the exact same thing. And you're still on that downtrend for Tesla, right? I would still consider Tesla being in a downtrend because it hasn't actually broken where we were, from a long time ago, right? Essentially, you can still have it run from here to here, right? So your downtrend started back here on the week of November 1st. And I essentially like doing this, right? I like running to the highest wicks, and then we'll do a second trend there. Right, there you go. So, I mean, generally, you're still pretty heavily on the low side, right? On all of these things right here. And dropping down to like a $70 Tesla would not surprise me within like 30 days or so. So as of right now, I am super short on Tesla. I do think by, April 3rd. So like early April, maybe like the second week of April, I do think Tesla as of right now is headed towards possibly in the range of more than likely under $100. And that's what I'm expecting out of it. So that's why I'm shorting it like $37,000 or so. But again, just free sauce and like a really good overview of how I run my forecasts on these indicators. And if you guys are interested in joining the Patreon or again getting grandfathered in, because I will be again changing platforms and all my indicators and all my strategies will be now moving to my own website, feel free to join the Patreon. I'll drop the link in the comments. I'll drop the link in the comments and then probably in the description somewhere from my previous videos. I know I'm not really good at adding that stuff, but that's basically it. Just wanted to give a forecast on Tesla. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.